How to get rid of Tinder Gold or how to cancel your Tinder subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can get rid of Tinder Gold or how you can cancel your Tinder membership. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. In order to get rid of your Tinder Gold, you can simply cancel your subscription through your device settings on Android or iOS, or you can directly go within the Tinder app by going here. Simply open up your Tinder, right? Once you open up Tinder, you want to simply head into your profile first. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll be headed to your profile. On your profile, you want to simply tap on the settings or the gear icon that you'll find at the very top right corner. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to look in for the option here that says manage payment accounts. So you can see under payment account, you'll see three different options. You want to simply tap on manage payment account, and under it, if you have the Tinder Gold or the subscription, you should find it right here. You can tap on the subscription and you can tap on cancel subscription. Go ahead through the prompts and cancel it. So this is how you can get rid or cancel your Tinder Gold. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.